Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about data science methodology week 1 from requirement to collection credit quiz. So I'll proceed with the answers now. So the first question is that in the context of data science methodology, select the correct answer that describes what happens during the data requirement stage. So what is data requirement stage where we are gathering all the data that is relevant to our analysis and we are figuring out the initial stage how we are going to do it. So the first stage is going to be identify the necessary data content, formats, and the source. All the things we have to figure it out here, and we have to manage how we are going to get the data. First of all, we have to find how we can find the data to have the analysis on. Second, what technique can you apply to the data set during the data collection stage to access data content, quality, and initial insights? So, data visualization and descriptive statistics. Why this is important is like when you are having a data and you have analysis in mind that this is the goal that you have to figure out, like having the market price reduced to some amount where the company is getting profit out of it and the customer is satisfied with the services. So, for figuring out that kind of solution, you have to have the descriptive statistics of the data, whether the data you are collecting is correct or not. If it is not correct at all, how you're going to have the analysis, and if you have analysis on the wrong data, that would be a difficult situation to be in. So I would suggest you do apply in this in real life as well. Third, imagine if you are a data scientist working on a healthcare product. Your task is to define the data requirement for decision tree classification approach to predict patients readmission rates. Select the answer that describes the purpose of defining data requirements in the context of the healthcare project. So, why it is important to have the data requirement? It is important for the analysis part. It is important for non-biasness also. You cannot do analysis on the biased data. If you have if you have taken survey and it is from the certain range of area, not all of the area, then it is going to reflect one mindset or a set of mindset only, not the overall mindset of the people. So that can be a difficult situation or difficult analysis to be. So this process is quite important. You have to keep in mind the correct answer is to identify the necessary data content, formats, and source. That was the answer for the first one as well. Fourth one, you are a data scientist tasked with collecting and preparing data for a predictive modeling projects related to patients' outcome. You have encountered some data source, mainly drug information, that are missing. How would you handle this situation? So, as I told before, if we have incomplete data or biased data, we are going to have a wrong analysis on the data, and we cannot achieve our goal in that way. It is going to create some consequences as well. So, for that, we would suggest that attempt to acquire the missing data after obtaining intermediate results. The second question for statistics, it is for intermediate results, as you will get the intermediate results and you know that the missing we have a missing value here of some column, so you can try to attempt and gain the data to have the clear insights of the data. So that is the correct answer here. Fifth one is, which stage of data methodology involves collaborating with DBAs and programmers to extract and merge data from various sources? So this is the first stage where we are going to have the data collections. You got the data goal that you have to do this kind of analysis and give us the solution for that. The client has said like that. Now what you are going to do, you are going to make a plan how you are going to get the data and what are the data going to be. After that, you are going to contact with DBAs and the programmer how to do the ETL and what kind of data you are getting. So these are the things going to happen in the first phase of the analysis. So the data collection is the correct answer, and I'll upload more videos on this course, and please do subscribe to the channel for that. Thank you.